Hi, I'm Colin Miller with American Honda, here with the new 2020 Africa Twin. In the world of powersports, Honda is the only manufacturer to offer a dual clutch transmission. Essentially, DCT is a manual transmission that shifts automatically, and it offers a number of advantages. On road, it removes the tasks of clutch lever and shift lever operation. That might not sound like much to some riders, but those who try Honda's DCT are generally surprised by how much bandwidth is freed up for other tasks, for reading terrain, off-road, or just enjoying the ride. DCT also reduces the chances of stalling, and it makes gear changes more quickly and smoothly than is typically possible with manual shifting. Using DCT is pretty straightforward, but because it's unfamiliar to some riders, we'll go over the basics here. When you first turn the DCT model on, it will always be in neutral. In order to put it into the drive mode, you push the DS button below. It automatically goes into the drive, which is the first menu function. If you push, you then go to S mode, which has 3 levels of adjustability. Each higher level of adjustability is a different shift point. Hold to adjust it. If you want to put it into full manual mode, push the A and M button, and now you have full manual control. The DCT model has an upshift and downshift switch on the left-hand switch assembly. This switch can be used in the full manual mode or at any time in the automatic mode. The downshift is used with your thumb and the upshift with your forefinger. So that's an overview of the DCT on the new Africa Twin. Keep in mind that if old habits die hard, Honda also offers an accessory foot shifter that lets you manually change gears with your left foot, just like a manual transmission bike. Speaking of which, both versions of the Africa Twin are also available with the manual transmission. Remember to always refer to your motorcycle's owner's manual, which is available for free at powersports.honda.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ride.